Hello paper crafters, today I would like to show you how to make a last-minute Easter card by using the magazine cutouts or recycling the printed images from the packaging. Although printed images are not what is called my style, I think everyone knows the feeling when you like the picture so much you just can't let it go. So these are the pictures in question. Those carrot images were the part of packaging from those glass containers that I bought for my fridge. I have always loved this kind of pictures, and they are also very motivational as I'm trying to adopt a healthier lifestyle. Now I have chosen the rectangle die that is just slightly smaller than the image. Then I'm going to use this die on a piece of black glossy cardstock. I have chosen the glossy cardstock because the carrot picture is glossy. Also, the glossy cardstock is great for embossing, which you'll see later on. So now I'm placing my frame into the Woodgrain embossing folder. This one is by Paper Discovery. I'm placing it this way because I want the stripes to go vertically. Then I'm going to expand this pattern, and you will see absolutely no seams on the end project. Now I'm applying some double-sided tape at the wrong side, and I'm sticking the frame on top of the picture. You can see that the embossed pattern really stands out on a glossy surface. Then I'm going to apply some double-sided tape at the wrong side all around this panel, and I'm sticking it down onto an A2 size note card. As always, the tools and supplies that I'm using are listed in the description box below the video, as well as on my blog. To make this framed picture look completely like a card, I'm going to add a sentiment. I've die cut the word happy out of white cardstock. This die is also by Paper Discovery. Now I'm sticking the die cut down with the liquid adhesive at the bottom of the picture. I'm also going to decorate the inside of the card, so I'll take another smaller picture of carrots, and I'm applying a lot of adhesive at the wrong side to cover up as much surface as I can, and then I'm sticking it down onto a piece of cardstock. I'll be using an alphabet die set to spell the word Easter. These dies I'm using are by Spellbinders. When I have all the letters die cut, I'm going to take a thin pliable ruler and I'm going to place it inside the card. Actually, I'm taping the card base down, and I'm also going to tape down the ruler. This way it won't slide. I'm placing all the letters on top of the ruler, making sure they are evenly spaced. When I have all the letters arranged, I'm lifting up one letter, applying some liquid glue at the wrong side, and I'm sticking it right back where it belongs. That is a very simple way to line up the letters. And now I can remove the ruler. I have also decided to stamp the words with love using the black ink. Those sentiments are also by Paper Discovery. After I have the sentiments stamped, all there is left to do is to add my name at the bottom corner of my card, and that finishes the project. This is how quick and easy this project was, and I simply love the optimistic look of this card. There is actually one more project that I have created using the same pictures. It's this traveler's notebook layout. You can see I've used the same die cut for the word happy and the same sentiment dies, and of course the leftovers of the carrot pictures. I really hope you enjoyed that mini tutorial today. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again really soon. Bye bye!